how to connect your MetaQuest 2 to your Steam VR. So we can go ahead and show you one way to be able to do this. So beforehand, you're gonna go ahead to your PC and make sure you have already installed and downloaded and installed Steam and also Steam VR inside Steam. So once you have your accounts ready as well, your Steam VR and whatnot, you're gonna go ahead and focus on your Oculus Quest 2 for now. You're gonna go ahead to your Quest store. You can go ahead there and search for Steam. Once you search for Steam, an app called Steam Link will pop out. You're gonna go ahead and open that up and go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and open the Steam Link and just follow up with the process. So it's gonna ask you a few things like your account as well eventually, but you're gonna have to search for your PC over here since it's gonna say searching for a different PC or another PC that is running Steam. So make sure your internet connection is also at the same on your PC and your Oculus Quest 2 since it is running Steam on the local network. So it's searching for that. So the next is going ahead and choosing your PC. So it should show the name as well. You can go ahead and choose your PC. And once that's done, it's just going to go ahead and ask for a few permissions. You're going to go ahead and allow that and just wait until your MetaQuest, is finally connected to your Steam Link. And once that happens, you can go ahead and open up Steam VR and you should be able to basically connect Steam VR to your Oculus Quest 2. You're going to have to link and log in your accounts as well. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.